Have you ever pondered the possibility of using one WhatsApp account on two devices simultaneously? Well, you're not alone in this curiosity. Today, we're going to demystify this process and show you exactly how it's done. Now, traditionally, WhatsApp has been a one-device application, but with the advent of WhatsApp Web and Desktop, there's been a shift. However, it's important to note that these platforms merely mirror the conversations on your phone. They don't allow for independent usage. So, how can you truly use one WhatsApp account on two devices? The answer lies in using WhatsApp's multi-device beta feature. This feature is currently available only to a select group of users, but it's an excellent glimpse into what's coming. To start, you'll need to join the WhatsApp beta program. This program allows users to test out features before they are released to the wider public. Once you're a beta tester, you'll need to update your WhatsApp to the latest beta version. Next, open WhatsApp and tap on the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Select Linked Devices, then Multi-Device Beta. Tap on Join Beta to get started. Once you've joined the multi-device beta, you'll be able to log in on a second device without needing your primary device to be connected to the internet. This is a significant departure from the current iteration of WhatsApp Web and Desktop, which requires your phone to be online. To log in on the second device, you'll need to download WhatsApp and enter your phone number. A verification code will be sent to your primary device. Enter this code on the second device to log in. And there you have it. You're now using the same WhatsApp account on two devices. Remember, this is a beta feature and might have some bugs. However, it's a promising step towards a more flexible WhatsApp experience. In this video, we explored the possibility of using one WhatsApp account on two devices. We delved into the limitations of WhatsApp Web and Desktop and introduced the multi-device beta feature. We walked you through the steps to join the beta program, update your app, and log in on a second device. It's a brave new world for WhatsApp users, and we're excited to see what the future holds. Remember, technology serves us best when we understand how to make the most of it. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay connected.